Hi girls, just a welcome back after Easter break. So we're going to continue on as we were. We were in distance, speed and time. So I've put another video up there on distance, speed and time on the graphs and on a few questions. So I'd ask you to take a look at them. Underneath it I've said, girls, instead of commenting with your homework because it's just too hard to track, if you can click submit assignment and then take your pictures of your homework and upload them there. And the comments section should only be used if you have an issue. So if you couldn't do question 32 because you found it too hard or you didn't understand what it was asking you to do, or if you want me to do a video with the homework on question 29 because you couldn't do that question, that's what the comment section should be used for, because I'll go there then to do a video of whatever you might need for your particular homeworks. I look through your homework, girls. Most, like at the beginning, distance, speed and time was fine, but there are some of you who are still owe me homework and owe me work. So I've taken it, my husband has taken a couple of days off so that I can kind of chase that this week. So you can expect, girls, if you're not submitting work, to get phone calls from me this week. Okay. We have 5 weeks full time. We have the bank holiday, etc. to put it there, but we need to get a couple of more chapters done. So the plan this week would be to finish off distance, speed and time. I plan on getting that all done this week, and maybe even getting started on the next chapter. So I'm hoping to get 2 more chapters done before the end of the year. So I'm hoping to do geometry. Would just be too hard to do this way. Remote learning, it's just going to be easier if you kind of need a board and you need a projector, etc., to be able to do that very well. So what I'd be hoping to do, girls, is chapter 10 after this, which is trigonometry, which is just Pythagoras, which should be easy enough, I think, for us to manage. And I'd be hoping to get applied arithmetic done in its completion. So we have a busy 5 weeks. We're certainly not going to finish up there. If we have time, we'll go on to coordinate geometry to get a head start on next year, because we are going to be behind in terms of, we're not going to get geometry 1 and 2 done, but we normally wouldn't have distance, speed and time done. So we won't be too far behind, but I don't want to fall any further behind because we're going to have a busy year next year as it is. Trying to catch up on all the little bits and pieces that might have posed difficulty. So you need to be submitting your work and you need to be engaged, because this stuff isn't going to be done again next year. It's not a case of I'll have extra time next year to make up for it. I'm not going to get that time. You're not going to get that time. So we need to be sensible and try and plough on as best as we can.